Hello friends, today is 20th July and my name is Mikhail Hassan, and today I have come again in front of you all to speak something very important regarding a particular subject which is often talked about in our society. It is one of the most discussed topics on YouTube as well, and I've seen many videos of that. Recently, I was coming across. Before saying this, I would like to state one thing, that we live in a society in which almost each and every person is different and is working in his or her own style and ability as well as capability. None of us were born with a silver spoon, at least people who are watching this video. And many a times we find that people who often rise to a certain position, they start forgetting their past or their roots. So recently I was going through a video of one of the motivators, and it really stuck me there, and it really hit me actually, uh, as to how one motivator can make a statement which is very discriminatory, and that too in front of students. Students were sitting there. So the I cannot take the name, but yes, I would state whatever he said because it was a very old video, and I wanted to comment on that. However, I don't know people would see or not, so I thought that this perception should also come out in public, at least to the people who watch me. And if they will have a certain kind of agreement with me, then I'll be really happy, because I feel we need to respect each and everyone in a society. So basically, the statement was that the context was all about hard work and success. And he asked the students whether hard work is important or not. The students said yes. So he said that, okay, so what about the rickshaw puller? Is he successful? Then the students replied in chorus that no, he's not successful. And then he moved ahead of that as if nothing happened. But to me, that was the stopping point, and I never watched his video again. And it really hit me hard that I am today making this video, because I feel that a rickshaw puller is also a very much successful person as compared to other people as well, because a rickshaw puller is doing his job diligently in such hot weather, and sometimes during rainy seasons as well. And probably now also many people are working. So we all know that nobody wants to become a rickshaw puller, but still many people work in that field. Why? Because many people have to support their families, their kids, and their livelihood. So we cannot just use those kind of narratives in for uplifting our narratives, means for uplifting our motives. I'm not saying that the motive must be wrong, but to use that thing in front of students, because it'll somehow get ingrained in their minds that yes, rickshaw being a rickshaw puller is not successful. He's successful or not. See, success according to me is a very perspective matter. It is a matter of perspective, I'll say, because one is successful for one person, but he's not successful for the other person. Someone who is earning a lot of money also might not be successful in his own eyes, but for people who are not with him might think that he's a very successful person. Only money cannot be a parameter to judge whether a person is successful or not. So I feel that the rickshaw puller is certainly a very very successful person, because he is supporting his family. He want his child to grow up and do a proper job, so that he will also lead a successful life. Also, if we look upon various other people who are working in different fields, for example, the banking field, the teachers field, each and every person are feeling that maybe some or the other way they are not happy. So i- what we can say is that a success is something which is a relative matter altogether. For some may be successful by just, some may think that they are successful by just living a very simple life with their family, and always money cannot be a parameter to judge the success of any person. So it is actually a very serious claim which I'm making, that people, because it differs from person to person. It's not that I'm saying a person who is earning money is not successful. He might be successful, why not? But I'm saying that a person, people who are working in the lower grade also, they are also successful. It's never like people like that are not successful, because he's working really hard. And we are living in a society, we cannot be discriminative, especially in a country like ours. India is a great nation. We cannot keep on discriminating people based on their class, on their work culture, social class, working class. I would also like to state one example, that yesterday I was watching one episode of little kids singing competition. In that, a child has come and he was singing really well, and his father was none other than a truck driver. So what can we say? He's not successful. Certainly, he's extremely successful, I'd say. So I don't think anybody can give us that right to say who is successful and who is not. Let us, if we are motivating people, let us come forward with positive arguments and positive narratives, and not demean anyone in the process. Because demeaning anyone is never a trait of a successful person, I feel. So this was the message which I wanted to give you. So I feel that nobody gets offended by this, because I just gave a generic term. Success is all in our mind. I feel that a person who is very mature, he is successful. A person who is able to handle his feelings, he is successful. A person who is able to maintain good relationships with people, obviously not with everyone, it's not possible. However, if he is able to maintain, he is a successful person. A person who is always available for his family is successful. So all these people are successful. We cannot just claim that by their working class whether a person is successful or not. So I think that this video will end another uh, myth of our society, that people in the lower class are not successful. Yes, they are certainly successful. Thank Yeah, friends, thank you so much for watching me and my channel. Kindly subscribe for more of such videos. Together we will certainly make this society a very progressive and a positive one. Thank you.